Brian Dulesky for Able Distributors. Thanks for checking out the website and checking out the Bosch BOVB M18 heat pump. It's an amazing piece of equipment. We've been selling it for a few years now. Everybody seems to love this piece of equipment. There's some things you need to know. We sell a 10-inch high-rise pad. It's a very, very nice pad because when this thing goes into the defrost, you got to have some place for that ice to go. So you got to get it up off the floor. Whether you put it up on rails, you build your own, but we do have a very nice pad. So in the solution guide, we're going to suggest a pad. We're going to suggest a new whip and disconnect because it's always nice to make the job look nice. We're going to suggest a surge protector, brownout protector. So if you get under voltage or a surge, it protects the board inside here. It's kind of important. It's a really nice way to go. We sell an ERM through Honeywell. And like I said before, if you're only going to use this as AC, you can go 2-wire, perfect, 2 low voltage wires and you're done. If you want it for a heat pump, you really need at least 3 wires, Y, C, and the reversing valve. And if you want the full function out of this and be able to use the heating pump at a lower temperature, you're going to want 4 low voltage wires, Y, C, the reversing valve, and then defrost sends a signal back into the furnace or the air handler to turn on the heat when this thing actually goes into AC mode in the wintertime to shed that ice. Line set up to 100 foot max, 7/8 for the larger ones, 3/4 for the smaller ones. It comes charged for 15 feet. Every single foot beyond 15 feet, you're going to add 0.6 ounces per foot, and you're almost going to be right on the money with that. If you weigh it in and you've got an exact length on your line set, you're going to be right there. If you've never done a heat pump, we have a control solution guide on our website that'll show you how to set up the thermostats. And we have it in there with the Bosch and a furnace and a Bosch and an air handler and a Bosch and a Unico and different thermostats and how to set up those thermostats, how to wire them, so you're set there. So some of the things to know too is the small footprint on this. Both the 5-ton and the 3-ton are 29 by 29, which is a pretty small footprint. The 3-ton, not on top of the pad, but just normal, is only 24 inches tall. The 5-ton is 33 inches tall. So it's actually for an 18 SEER modulating heat pump, it's actually a small, kind of a small package. Again, 2-wire for AC only, 3-wire for AC and heat pump, 4-wire if you want to have the defrost. We sell the full range of Bosch coils. These are upflow, horizontal right, so you're set there. Cooling down to 40 degrees. If you need to go lower than that, you can't. Heating down to -5, and again, it's going to go into defrost. And this unit has standard and accelerated cooling. It's a dip switch, one of the many dip switches on the board. So you can accelerate the cooling to get a colder coil, and at the same time, that same switch will actually get you a hotter heating coil. So that's it, the Bosch IDS 18 BOVB M18. Thank you.